This is how you connect Microsoft Teams to N8n. So first thing that you're going to do is head over to N8n and then click on Create Workflow at the top. Now once you click on that, it's going to take you to your workflow. And then from here, you're just going to click on Add First Step. And then once you click on that, this panel on the left side or the right side is going to appear. So you're just going to have to search for Microsoft Teams and then click on it. After clicking on it, you can see all of the channel actions, channel message actions, just technically all of the channels or the actions that you can take that you can automate in N8n. So you're just going to have to choose on one. So you can choose create a message. And then once you click on that, you're going to have to fill out all of these credentials or these spaces that is going to determine how your action is going to be automated depending on how you want it to be automated. Now after that, once you have filled out all of these details, you're going to click on execute step and it will take you back to your action board. And then after that, you can see this sample and then you can see all of the triggers. So for example, this trigger, when clicking execute workflow, it's going to take you to create message page on Microsoft Teams. So what you're going to do now is to just test if it actually works, and that's it. That is how you connect Microsoft Teams to N8n. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.